Hey everybody, Freebie here again. Today we're going to be putting on some mud guards on my new Ram 2500, and these are the Husky Liners Mud Guards. Looks like they're very simple. These are 58046 models for 2500 Ram. So we're gonna get everything cleaned up. It's like it says, no drilling required. Should be pretty simple and easy. Add to the looks of my truck. Yeah. So we'll get to it and show you just how easy it is. We'll let you see how it looks before. And then we'll do the after. So stay tuned. Freebie out. All right, here's what comes in the kit. My rear and front guards, splash guards. And we got some instructions here. Clean and degrease the mud guard location area before the fender installation. And you're just gonna remove the existing fasteners, which are 8mm bolts. Looks like we got some tape over here to help secure on the back. So I'm going to be using some Dawn and get these areas cleaned up so we can get these put on. You can see there's dirt and everything here, so I got to get that cleaned up nice and neat. Use that Dawn because it helps degrease. Same way around, all the way around, and we'll get that started and then show you the installation. Okay, it's a little dark and everything, I hope you can see, but we got it kind of cleaned up now, degreased and ready. I'll show you what the front one already looks like on. Sweet. Very simple. Very simple. One thing I am going to do is get a self-tapping screw, a ½ inch or whatever, and run back there to just help secure this, because you see it does flex a little bit, so I want that secure. But you only remove these two 8mm and it fits right in form. And just snug them down tightly. Don't overdo it. On the back, it does come with an optional screw and clip. That we are going to put back here. There's already a hole drilled where the tape is. We have 3 holes to connect, so I'll drill a little hole here just for security. So I'll get to it. Okay, got the driver's side done. Does look pretty sweet. Yeah, I like that. That's gonna help keep a lot of crap off of my trailers and everything else. I did install the extra on the rear, the one that comes with it. Again, 8mm, there's nothing to it. They look sweet. Much better. Now, do the other side, show you the finished product. Okay, it's done. So let's look at it. Form fitting, very easy to do. Added the 3rd screw in there just for added strength. I did the same thing in the front. I added a little self-tapper, so the flex is gone out of that. Looks awesome, as you can see. Can't wait to try them out. Gonna be so much better. So there's something else Freebie's showing you. Hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe and like, share if you want to, and we'll do another something. There's no telling what. We'll check you out later. Thanks for watching, y'all.